You see, I belong to a class of football fans that love to test hypotheses. And there's this project we've been working on since 2018. Project Mbappe. We've been studying one footballer called Klein Mbappe, a very good footballer. He's won the World Cup. He's a good player. But in the Champions League, we've been seeing a pattern. And it all started from 2018 since he joined that PSG. They've been struggling to win the Champions League. They went to the finals in 2020, they lost. Sometimes they will lose out in the round of 16, quarterfinals, semi-finals. They've just been very unlucky. Till 2024, Mbappe decided to leave PSG to Real Madrid. Meanwhile, Real Madrid has been the most successful team in the Champions League history. In fact, in 2024, they won the Champions League. So Mbappe decided, okay, let me leave PSG since I've not been able to win this trophy with Paris Saint-Germain. Let's go to Real Madrid. I'm pretty sure I'll win the trophy when I get there. Because, come on, they are the defending champions. They just won the Champions League and he joined them to win in the next season. And the next season came, Real Madrid did not win the Champions League. In fact, they were knocked out by Arsenal in the quarterfinals. That same season he left PSG, they won the Champions League. And then we began to see a pattern. We're like, what's happening? Is PSG the problem or is Mbappe the problem? Who is the cancer here or who is the virus? We said, okay, let's give it another try. We can't just jump to conclusion with 1 year. Let's see what happens the next season. And here we are, 2025-2026 season. Lo and behold, once again, Real Madrid did nothing in the Champions League. They were knocked out by Bayern Munich in the quarterfinals again with Mbappe in Real Madrid. Meanwhile, PSG, they've reached another final and they're about to win the Champions League back to back without Mbappe. At the same time, the club Mbappe went to Real Madrid have been very successful in the Champions League. They've gone back to back 2 seasons, been knocked out in the quarterfinals. Shamefully, most of the times. So today, our experiment is at the peak point. Today, the final puzzle we have been looking for, the final knot we have been looking for, the final data that we need to nail Mbappe and make a conclusion that he is the virus, he is the anti-Champions League virus or anti-Champions League cancer. He has been the one denying PSG of their Champions League. And as long as he stays in Real Madrid will see no Champions League. Tonight, we'll conclude it. If PSG wins tonight's Champions League against Arsenal, the match tonight, if they win it, we'll draw our conclusions. Not 10, we'll draw it. We'll draw it. So, Mbappe FC, you guys should be praying that Arsenal wins this Champions League because if PSG goes back to back tonight, Mbappe FC, you guys will not sleep. We'll clown you guys today. So let's watch and see. I'm just waiting. I'm just a football scientist waiting to draw a conclusion on the experiment that we have been doing since 2018. We need to conclude this experiment. It's been a long time. We can't be doing research for 8 years now. Come on, or 10, almost 10 years. So we want to conclude it tonight. PSG, please help us conclude this experiment tonight.